Good morning, friends. Today is April 22nd, 2024. Happy Earth Day to all. We are going to start some of the warm season vegetables today. Eggplant, ash gourd, okra, cucumbers, golden cucumber, and bitter gourd. We can fill the containers with seed starting mix. I'm going to leave these containers outdoors since the temperature is usually above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Start with the ash gourd seeds. These are ash gourd seeds, one in each container. Bitter gourd seeds. You can always soak the seeds in water for early germination or to promote germination, but since we have enough time until Mother's Day, I did not soak them. Usually we plant them outdoors after Mother's Day when the temperature is consistently above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Golden cucumber seeds. Okra seeds. You can always plant okra outdoors directly in the soil. Okra will actually do better if you plant them outdoors directly in the soil. Cucumber seeds. Eggplant seeds. We can put 2 in each container. We can cover all the seeds with some soil. Don't put the seeds too deep because the seeds need air to germinate. Usually it says the depth should be double the width of the seed. So maybe a half to 1 inch deep is okay. Now we can water them thoroughly. The soil was already pre-moistened, but still you can water. Make sure that the soil is always moist. The last thing to remember is you should label all the containers unless you are very familiar with all the seedlings. So I just marked them, ash gourd 422. Hope you will have a wonderful growing season. Happy gardening and happy Earth Day.